Hello students, so here we have a question, very important question. So you can see in this, in a right angle triangle. So what they are given is that they are given us right angle triangle. It is given that angle A is an acute angle. So I think so you know what is acute angle. Acute angle means angle which is greater than 0 and it's less than 90. Okay, that is called as acute angle. And what they are given is that tan A equals to 5 by 12 they are given us. The value of tan A is 5 by 12. So find the value of cos A and cosec A minus cot A. Okay, so we have two questions are there, but what they had given is that they had given us this. So using this we have to find the value of this 2. So this carries 4 marks. Okay, so given, so what they had given is that they had given us a right angle triangle, and angle E is my acute angle. Okay, so we can draw a diagram. It's not compulsory that you have to draw the diagram, but if you'll draw the diagram it will be easy for you. Okay, so we have a triangle. Obviously we have to have a right angle triangle. So ABC, so this A is acute angle. So what happens is that this is your 90 degree, 90 degree is right angle, and this two will be acute angle. So A you can write here also, doesn't matter. Okay, so ABC also you can write, or ABC, it's the same thing. Okay, so acute angle we have in a right angle triangle will have the two acute angles, so anywhere you can write. Okay, so now what they have given us is that tan A equals to 5 by 12. Okay, so this type of question is very important, and this is your different type of question. So what we can do here is that tan A they had given us 5 by 12. So as you know, tan is your formula, turns permanently black. So this I can write permanently black. So that is your 5 by 12. Okay, so as you know that what happens is that we have to find the value of hypotenuse, because perpendicular and base we have the values, so we don't have the hypotenuse. So to find the value of hypotenuse is your Pythagoras theorem, obviously. But what you'll do is now, hence we have what you have, we have perpendicular equals to 5. So perpendicular equals to 5. Okay, so base equals to 12. Now what we don't have is your h equals to question mark. So we have to find the value of h is your hypotenuse. Okay, now what happens is that there is a rule in ratios. What happens is that we'll not take 5, we'll take 5k, and this is also 12, it will be 12k. Okay, so why we take this ratio is that, I think so you know, suppose same example only I'll give you. So tan A, suppose if I'll write 10 upon 24. Okay, so I can take this 10 upon 24, yes or no? So if I'll cancel this, if you'll see here, it will get cancelled by 2 5s are 10 and 2 12s are, so how much I got? 5 by 12, yes or no? Can you see here, it's 5 by 12. That means in ratio 5 by 12 can be taken as 10 by 24 also. That means what happens is that to make 10 by 24 I have to multiply by 2 into 2. So if I'll multiply, I'll get 10, 12 2s are 24. Okay, got it. So what happens is that we are multiplying with the same number, up also with the 2, down also with the 2, but we don't know in this which one is that number. Okay, so for that we have to take k. Okay, let that number be k. Hope so you are clear. So what happens is that in ratio we will not know by what number it has been cancelled, so that's why we are taking k. Okay, so simple, I'll give you an example. Suppose I have 5 by 10. Okay, this is your 5 by 10, so it will get cancelled by 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so this is your 1 by 2. So 5 by 10 is also equals to 1 by 2. So both are ratios. Okay, but the original ratio is this. That means this has been multiplied by 5 and this has also multiplied by 5. Okay, so if it multiply by 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So we don't know this 5 value. Okay, this 5. In this case it's 5. But in this case we don't know. So we'll take it as k. Okay, understood? So in ratio, just think it, we take it as k. If you will not take with k also, the answer will get it's correct only. So h is there. So obviously what you have to use is that, you know very nicely, it's your by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says, since we have to find the value of h, so h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so this will be here, h equals to p is how much? 5k whole square plus b is my 12k whole square. If you are getting with the confused, you can do without writing the value of k also, okay, without putting the value of k. So h square goes to 5 square is 25k square plus 12 is your 144 k square. So it will be h equals to under root. When I'll add this, obviously I'll get 169 k square. So h equals to, you know that 169 is your 13 into 13, okay. So this, okay, I'll show you in longer way only. 13 into 13 into k square is your k into k. So as you know, in square root what happens is that only single will come, yeah. So 13 and this will be k. So instead of 213, 113 will come. Instead of 2k, 1k will come. So as you know, plus minus, but since it's length, so it has to be positive. So I got the value of h also. So what is the value of h? I got 13k. Okay, so already I have told you, if you will not write k also, you will get the correct answer only, okay. But this is your correct process because you have to put the value of k. Now what you have to do, number one. So number one answer is your, what will be, you have cos a. Okay, so this is your, this is for angle a, so you can write for angle a. So cos a formula is curly brown hair. So what is the value of base? Base is my 12k, and what is my hypotenuse is your 13k. So you can see here k got cancelled. So what I got finally answer, I got 12 by 13. Okay, so what you can see, the 12 at a k at the last, it gets cancelled. So okay, so if you're without writing k also, you can solve this question. So now what you have, next question is your number 2, cosec a minus cot a. So let's do number 2. Let this side, what you have, cosec a minus cot of a. I hope so you have gone with the formulas. Yeah, you have to be perfect with the formula. So cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So some people have, so that means reciprocal means I'll write opposite way. Cot is a reciprocal of tan is permanently black. Okay, so reciprocal, so I'm writing lower side. So now what is the value of h? So just now only we got, it's here 13k, and p is how much? It's your 5k, minus b is your 12k, and p is your 5k. Okay, so what happens is that at the last k get cancelled. What do you have? Lower we have 5. So both the LCM will be 5, that means this will be 5. So 5 get cancelled, so 1 13s are 13, minus 5 divided 5 is 1 12s are 12. So 13 minus 12 is your 1 upon 5. So we got the final answer. Hope so you're clear with this. You can try without writing k, and at the last you can add the k also. Okay, so this is one of the very important question. So we'll solve similar type of question. So here we have another question. So it's similar type of question only. So you can see what they are given. Given a is an acute angle and 13 sine a equals to 5. So evaluate means find the value. Okay, so we have to find the value of 5 sine a minus 2 cos a by tan a. So this is also one of the very important. So what they are given is that, given 13 sine a equals to 5. Okay, so this 13 is in multiplication, so when it will go that side, it will be divide. So sine a equals to 5 by 13 I got. Okay, so as you know, its trigonometry is all over the right angle triangle. So we have ABC. Okay, right angle at B. So sine a equals to 5 by 12. So this type of sum just now only we have done here. So how we can do? So as you know, the formula for this sine a is your sum people have equals to 5 by 13. So therefore what you'll have, P is equal to 5. So as you know, what you have to add is your k, that constant value. Okay, where k is a constant. Next is your h is how much? 13. So you can add here also k. Now what you don't have is your base, so base will be your question mark. Okay, now as you know, what you have to do, obviously Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, so since we have to find the value of b, so what I'll write like this, p square plus b square equals to h square. Okay, so it will be easy to find. So now what you have, p is your 5k whole square plus b square equals to h is your 13k whole square. So this I can write as, okay, b square equals 13 is your 169k square. So when this plus will go that side, it will be minus 5 square is your 25k square. So this will be your b square equals to how much? This will be 144k square. So b I can write as under root 144k square. So now as you know that 144 I can write 12 into 12 if we'll do the LCM, and it has to be in pair since it is in your square root. Okay, so now as you know that square root means 2 pairs only single will come, so 212 is there, so only 112. And how many k's are there? Only 1k will come. 2 after, instead of 2k it will come 1k. So b is equal to, I got 12k. So we got the value of this b is equal to how much is there? 12. So k. Okay, so now what you have to do is that we have to find the value of this. Let's find all the trigonometric value. Okay, so what you have? 5 sin a. Sin a already we have 5 by 13. Now next what do you have? Cos a. Cos a formula is your curly brown hair. So what is my base? Base is my 12k and hypotenuse is my 13k. Okay, so this k got cancelled. So finally what I got? 12 by 13. Okay, now what do you have? Here is your tan a. So let's find the value of tan a. Tan formula is turns permanently black. Okay, so p is my 5k and b is my 12k. So as you know, this 12k will get cancelled. So what I got? 5 by 12. Okay, now if you'll do this way, what happens is that now just you have to put the value. Okay, so the calculation will be very much simple. If you'll do directly, then what happens is that the calculation will be very difficult. Okay, first find the value, then put the value, because it will be easy. Therefore what do you have? 5 sin a minus 2 cos of a divided by tan of a. Now this will be 5 into, now see, directly I can put the value, yeah, otherwise you have to put the formula, then you have to put the values, so it may chance of getting mistakes. Okay, now the value of sin a is your 5 by 13, so I can write 5 by 13 directly minus 2. Okay, so this way is easy, just directly we are putting the value in it. Cos is almost 12 by 13. Okay, so divided by tan a is your 5 by 12. Now 5 5s are 25 by 13 minus 2 12s are 24 by 13 divided by how much we have? 5 by 12. Okay, so what can I do now? LCM of 13 and 13. Okay, I'll do this side. 13 and 13 LCM will be 13 only. So this I can write 25 minus 24. Yeah, so this will be your 5 by 12. So 25 minus 24 is your, okay, 1 upon 13 into, so divide when you make multiply, 12 will go up and 5 will come down. So 12 ones are 12 and 5 13s are almost 65, 5 3s are 15 and 1 5 ones are 5, 65. Okay, I don't think so it will get cancelled. This is your final answer. Okay, so it will be easy. What happens is that if you'll first find the value of that trigonometric ratios, then after that putting. Okay, otherwise what happens is that sin a you will write here formula PBH. Okay, then your k will come, then you will cancel. So okay, so got it. So this is your final answer. Now let's solve another question. So here we have another question. So what happened in this question is that given 5 cos a minus 12 sin a equals to 0, find the value of sin a plus cos a, 2 cos a minus sin a. So the way which we have done previous sum, you can do that way also. That will be the longer way, but also in a very easy way. Okay, why? Because you can see here this side cos a sin a, and to find the value is also sin a cos a. Okay, so if it will be like this, what happens is that I will do that process. You can use that process to solve this answer. Okay, so what will happen is that solution, obviously solution, what they are given us 5 cos a minus 12 sin a equals to 0. Now this will be your 5 cos a. Okay, so this I'll take to the other side, so obviously this minus when it goes, that's it will be plus 12 sin a. Okay, so this method is applicable whenever you'll have the same values this side also. Okay, see sine cos, cos sine. If it would be there tan, you can't use that. Okay, so simple, you can see tan you can use, but other value you can't use. Okay, so what you can do here is that this I can write. Why I said tan you can use is that because tan relation is your sine by cos. That's why you can use. Okay, so what can I do? This is your cos a. No, this 12 I'll bring it down. Okay, so now simple, you think that you are doing cross multiplication. This 12 is coming down, that means this 5 will go lower this side. Okay, now what happened is that this two are in ratio, equals to sign is there, so this time you can take it as k, so you can take it as let. Okay, so therefore what I got, so cos a equals to, what happened is that 12 into k, this will go that side, so it will be 12k. Similarly sin a equals to, what will be 5k. Okay, understood? What I have done is that simple, cos a by 12 equals to k. So this is divide, when it goes outside it will multiply 12k. This side is sin a by 5, so equals to k means this 5 will go that side, it will be 5k. Hope so you are clear. So now what happens is that we got both the values by this method, cos a and sin a. See, we have to put the cos a and sin a value only. Okay, so if this type of question will come, then only you can use this method. Otherwise you will use the previous method only. Okay, so now what we can do is that we have to find the value of this. So just therefore what you have, sin a plus cos a divided by 2 cos a minus sin a. Now we'll just put the value equals to sin a. What is the value of sin a? 5k plus cos a value is your 12k divided by 2 into cos a. What is the value of cos a? 12k minus sin a value is your 5k. So you can see 5k plus 12. So 5 plus 12 is your 17k. 2 12s are 24k minus 5k. Okay, so what do you have? 17k and 24 minus 5. How much it will be? 19k. So now this k got cancelled. So what I got finally? I got 17 by 19. Okay, hope so clear. So directly we got the answer. Okay, this is the easiest way, but I have told you when you can use this method. Okay, other way what you can do is that, okay, I'll show you another way also. Simple, I'll show you till here. What you can do is that okay, so another way I am showing you. So what happened is that, what you have here, we have 5 cos of a equals to 12 sin of a, the previous method. Okay, so this will be your cos a, sin, I'll bring it down, sin a equals to 12 by 5. So both the trigonometry ratio together and the number together. Okay, so this will come down. So you know the formula for cos. So cos formula is curly brown hair, or you can do directly cot also. Okay, so many students they don't do, so I'll show you the simple way only. So what is the formula? Cos by sin is your cot. Okay, if you know the formula. So now sin is your some people have equals to 12 by 5. Now if you'll see here, what happened is that this HH will get cancelled. HH will get cancelled. So what I got finally, you can see B by P equals to how much? 12 by 5. So now as you know already, I have showed in my previous sum, what you can do, take now B is equal to 12k, P is equal to 5k, then H equals to question mark. Then you have to use the Pythagoras theorem, then you have to solve similar way. Okay, so this is, I think so, is easy for you all. Okay, so already I have told you mathematics is all about practice. So practice is nicely. Trigonometry is easy, only just what you have to know is that you have to be perfect with the formula. Okay, and the same chapter is in class 10 also. If you'll be confused or if you'll be lacking behind in class 9, you'll have problem in class 10. Okay, so please be prepared nicely this class 9 trigonometry. It will be very much helpful for your class 10, and it carries minimum of 12 marks. You will get minimum of 12 marks from this chapter. Okay, so till then, okay, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.